Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. Yes, I am finally going to try the thermochromatic powder inside of the resin. So this is, as the same as Tuesday's, this is another mold set that came in the mystery box from Amazon. It's just these tiny little tags. I freaking love them, actually. I'm not gonna lie. I will probably eventually make these into gift tags, reusable gift tags for Christmas, birthdays, that kind of stuff. But I'm going to try the thermochromatic powders. There are 5 colors in here. So I'm going to mix them into the resin and we'll see what it does. I will link up in the iCard the video where I tried to dust it onto the mold and it didn't really do anything. So hopefully this works. A lot of you commented on that video and said, Megan, you're really stupid. You should have mixed it in. You guys didn't say that. I'm being hyperbolic. But yeah, I felt really stupid. So a lot of you said, mix it in. It works if you mix it in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and mix it in, see how it goes. And yeah, all right. Super simple week today, you guys. But hopefully you can forgive me for that because I'm working 6 days this week. 6 days in a row. Yes, sirree. So let's get it warmed up. Let's get started. I'm excited. Let's go. Alright friends, I'm excited. It's only been 12 hours since I poured these, so they are going to still be a little bit bendy, but that's okay. Got a cat hair on it. Alright, let's see. I'm going to start with the single colors. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. And now my fingerprint is in that. You know what? This video is not due out until Thursday. Today's only Tuesday. I'm going to leave these to cure a bit more before I fingerprint them all. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Alright friends, I'm back. I left it for a couple of days actually. Today is now Wednesday. I'm seeing some color change, but not a lot. Is that normal? Like, did I not put enough in there? I don't know. Anyway, let's get these other ones out, I guess. This one might work better. Okay. I mean, yeah, I can see it lightening up. Oh no, there's a cat hair stuck in this one. Ah! The life of a family with cats. It's not working, you guys. You told me this would work. It's also very cold in this basement right now. So, like, these are very cold. I just put one up to my cheek. Okay, that did a little something something, I think. That didn't do anything but fuck it up. Okay. You guys, I'm just not seeing it. Is it not working, or is it just far too cold in this basement? Y'all tell me. Have you tried these before? Did I not mix enough in? Because I've seen it work. That kind of worked, I think. I've seen it work with the heat gun. I've seen it work when it's just the powder on my hands. I don't know. Okay. Well. Alright. I'm going to mute myself, and I'm going to hit these with the heat gun to see what they do. Okay. So the heat gun does do the changes. The heat gun works. I don't know. For some reason. I mean, my hands are pretty warm. I'm of the age of hot flashes, and I've been having one all day. So I don't know. Maybe my hands just aren't warm enough for some reason. But, I don't know. Let me know what I did wrong. Yeah, let me know. Also, I guess we'll go ahead and do an additional bonus unmolding. I have another one, but we'll do this one. This was mostly clear, and then I added in, so I dropped in some of the colorant, and then I added clear on top. I'm just curious. Hey! Okay, well, we'll just take these out. I just had extra resin. You know, I don't like to be wasteful. These are cute. Very, this one's just clear. Very 90s and 80s vibes going on this desk right now. So, yeah. I guess stay tuned for the other bonus unmolding that I've already filmed. And let me know what I did wrong, if I did anything wrong, if this is just how they work. If they work better, like, when they're outside, maybe. I don't know. They're very vibrant right now, and I love that. I wish they all were like that. But, like all the time, I mean. But, yeah. Anyway, that's today's video. Stay tuned for the bonus unmolding after this. So you get 2 in this video, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Alright, well, I did over pour this one by quite a lot. That's okay. Alright, let's get him out. I just basically plopped all of the rest of the resin into these. They're very cute. I'm not getting a lot of color difference. I haven't unmolded the main portion yet, so I don't know if it's something that will actually happen. But my hands are quite warm today, and I'm not seeing any color change. That's pretty weird. Hold on, let me do something. Okay, well, you know, I put the heat gun to it and that worked. That got them to change to a different color. Okay, so they do work. Maybe it's just, I don't know, maybe it's because the resin isn't fully cured yet. I don't know. Just trying to get that extra bit off. I should wait so that it'll snap off easier. Anyway, that's today's adorable bonus unmolding.